Hey, welcome back to the channel. So first, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. And thank you for 200 subscribers. Let's keep pushing. You saw the title. This is my very first Skechers sneaker. I gotta be honest, I always hated this brand. But then again, these are Skechers Performance because I'm on a quest to buy as many different sneaker brands as I can. It was a no-brainer. I had to get these in the collection. So I filmed this already. I did the unboxing, which was not really an unboxing. These were shipped in a bag, which is the worst way you can ship something. But apparently that's how these British websites like to do it. This is the Skechers GOrun MaxRoad 5, which is kind of a long and stupid name. I've decided to change it a bit, so I've already worn these for about 40 kilometers. I'm going to give you my opinions on them. I would like to point out that I'm not an athlete, so my reviews are from a bit of a casual perspective. I still do what I call long distance walking to test the sneakers. Okay, so this is how these look after 40 kilometers. I kept these dirty on purpose so you can see exactly how they look. I'm going to get right into the things I don't like about these and the things I like. Stick around. Right, so the first thing I don't like about these is the price. Yes, I've paid 88 euros for them, but that's still ridiculous for this type of sneaker. And the retail price is 130 pounds, which is even more ridiculous. They have the Goodyear rubber and those carbon infused rods in the sole, but still, it's ridiculous. The second thing I don't like about them, the sneakers are way too fucking different in the back. It's actually horrible. I do understand these are made in a factory. One person makes the left shoe, one person makes the right shoe, but just look at this back section, the heel part. Another thing I don't like about these is the quality control. Again, for that ridiculous price, you really need to have a department that checks these. These actually have glue drops on them, which is horrible. I really don't like this tongue design. This part rubs on your foot, so you really need to wear longer socks. The design from above and on feet is kind of boring, and even though the toe cap is reinforced a bit, it's kind of flimsy, as you can see. The midsole on these looked kind of melted in some parts when I took them out of the box, which is kind of weird. Again, where is the quality control? And the final thing I don't like about these, when walking, they kind of make a bit of a suction noise because of those pods in the sole. Okay, so the things I like, not gonna lie, these are really comfortable. I really like the simple design. In hand, these look very nice. I really like these rubber stripes they did on the side here, and the eye stay is made out of the same material. Even though the left sneaker is very different to the right sneaker, I really like this sock liner design, the way this spills over the sneaker. The materials are very nice on these. I really like the thick padding these have on the heel. These are very lightweight. Before doing the lace swap on them, these were actually lighter than my Hoka sneakers. And I do also have some observations. When walking on a wet concrete, I was literally able to feel the pods actually moving because of the rubber gripping. The sole is not that squishy, even though apparently this is nitrogen infused. I was expecting this to be very squishy, but it's not. But that's not really a big problem. And the final observation, I bought these from Sports Direct, and the sizing is wrong. The sizing they recommend is not really the size of the actual sneaker. In a way, that was good because my toes were not poked by this toe cap creasing. so that is my review of the Skechers GOrun MaxRoad 5. Let me know what do you think about these. Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you. Subscribe. Bye.